Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to purchase Bzzgetaway package via PayPal. First, visit www.bzzgetaway.com. Now you are on Bzzgetaway homepage. Point to the packages from the top menu bar and click on the desired destination. Now you will see the available Bzzgetaway packages and relevant information. Select the desired package and click View Now. From here, go to My Account from the right top menu bar, then click Sign In. Type your username and password and log in. You will be redirected back to the initial page. Take a look on the package's details and terms and conditions. Click on the pricing table to see the package's price. Please note that prices and reward credits shown in this video are strictly for reference only. After reviewing the package's details, you may start to make your purchase. Go to Bed Preference and select an option. Great, you are now ready to click the button, Add to Cart. Click the box on the top right corner and choose the option Checkout. Double-check the personal details and fill in the required fields if needed. Read and agree to the package terms and conditions. If you have a voucher code, please click here to fill in the field, click on Apply Code. Please read and accept the general terms and conditions. Finally, select PayPal as the payment method. That's great. Now click the button PayPal Buy Now. Click Login if you have a PayPal account, or just fill in the details accordingly as a guest checkout. Once you have done, click the button Pay Now. Your purchase is now completed. You will soon receive a confirmation email, together with your invoice. Please, check your email. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any question, you may contact us at support@bzzgetaway.com. Have a great experience with Bzzgetaway.